The 2025 Renault Clio will be the class-defining compact city car you've been waiting for. Renault has achieved new heights with their most recent model, which boasts a daring new look, cutting-edge technology, and engine choices that strike a balance between performance and fuel economy. Plus, there's a lot more space inside this car than you would think. This is not your ordinary Clio. It has a hybrid engine that is causing waves in the market and updated interiors that set it apart. Stay tuned till the very end to find out what makes the 2025 Clio a revolutionary vehicle. The 2025 Renault Clio stands out from its predecessors with its strikingly contemporary and energetic style. With its crisp and sophisticated front end, this car is lit up by eye-catching C-shaped LED headlights. Sleek aerodynamic lines and a reworked grille combine form and function. The Clio exudes confidence with its wide wheel arches, athletic lines, and alloy wheels. A modern diffuser and LED taillights make this little car stand out from the crowd. The 2025 Clio has a classy cabin that's jam-packed with cutting-edge amenities. Effortless luxury is achieved for the driver and passengers, thanks to the use of premium materials throughout. The infotainment and navigation systems are controlled by a 9.3-inch touchscreen located in the center console, and there is a 10-inch digital display on the dashboard. Because of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, connecting is a breeze. The roomy cockpit, with plenty of legroom and ergonomically sound chairs, ensures a pleasant ride no matter how far you're going. A variety of engines are available for the 2025 Renault Clio. The standard powertrain is a 1.0 liters TC gasoline engine that comes in 90 and 120 horsepower options. It gets great gas mileage in the city and still has plenty of muscle on the highway. A hybrid variant, which combines a 1.6-liter gasoline engine with an electric motor to provide 145 horsepower, is available for drivers who are concerned about the environment. In congested city streets, this hybrid technology improves gas mileage for a more environmentally friendly ride. A 6-speed manual or 7-speed automatic transmission is available to go with any engine selection. Featuring a competitive pricing point, the 2025 Renault Clio is scheduled to make its premiere in late 2024 and go on sale in early 2025 throughout European markets. Hybrid variants are anticipated to begin at approximately €25,000, with base models projected to cost between €18,000